authorities and the Indian Air Force through headquarters AOC-J&K, we have been able to save many lives, and we are happy that even during the times of peace, the Indian Air Force has come for the benefit of our fellow countrymen. In fact, this headquarters has always lived up to its high values and traditions. It has been actively involved in the 1965 Indo-Pak War, in the 1971 Indo-Pak War, in the Kargil conflict, and of course, they really came into prominence during the Eastern Ladakh standoff, which is in some ways still continuing. And with Air Marshal Vora, who is the AOC J&K, and his AO team are here, I have all the confidence that we will continue to do as well as we have done, and we'll do even better in times to come. I take this opportunity to wish Air Marshal Vora and the entire personnel of AOC J&K and Ladakh all the very best and even better times ahead. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.